Braintree, Mass area. This is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor, and we have a class coming your way, a hands-on workshop class in October on Thursday, October 4th from 9 to 4, and this is going to be the power of KW Tech. We're going to go hands-on on all the new tech that Keller Williams has rolled out and will be rolling out, and we are going to be able to improve our business by going in and using Kelly, my referrals, KW Command, all the other new tech that we are going to be getting. So we're going to go hands-on with all of that. Then we are going to dive into a couple items with Google, because Google is a Keller Williams friend of ours, and we're going to show you some techniques from Google that's going to help you to add an extra $100,000 annually to your bottom line. So this is definitely a class you do not want to miss. Bring your laptop, be ready to apply what you've learned right there in the class, and I will see you on Thursday, October 4th. The total cost for this class is $50. That's it. And that also includes the lunch being provided to you from 12 to 3. And you're going to sign up at the Power of KW Tech with Michael Tritthart.eventbrite.com. See you soon.